Good morning and welcome everybody. You're in the Shine Zen Zen Zone. If you're new here, please do like, subscribe, turn on the all notification bell and share me if you can. So guys, welcome back, welcome back. Today we'll be using this leftover rice and we're going to turn it into something spectacular. Now I'm not eating rice, but I'm making this for hubby and my daughter. So you guys can try it and tell me what you think about it. So today we'll be using this rice, an egg, and some escallion. We'll also be using a little bit of cayenne powder, but I have it in this container. It was empty, so I just put the powder in here instead of having to use it from the bag like this. So let's get into it, guys. We are going to just beat the egg a little. Beat our egg. And then we pour it into the pot. Of course, I have a little coconut oil in this pot. And we are going to just swish it around. Sprinkle a little salt. There we go. Nice and easy. Get the flame a little higher. I think it's too low. There we go. Can you guys see? All coming together. Feels fine. I like. Okay. So we're swishing it around. There we go. Now to this we're going to add our rice. Add the rice. Just like so. Now we're going to add our scallion. And I'm going to just combine everything together. Now I'm not going to be using any soy sauce today. I'm just going to be now we're going to add the cayenne pepper. Just sprinkle it all over the rice and combine. Just like this. And turn up the flames. Add a little more coconut oil. Now combine everything together. Look at that. It's looking so lovely. Now Jamaicans, we call this rice overnight rice. So this is another option for you when you have your overnight rice and you don't know what to do with it. You can just do what I'm doing. Look how lovely the color is coming together. The colors are so beautiful. just gonna sprinkle a little more of the cayenne powder. We all know that the cayenne pepper is healthy for circulation, blood circulation, and for flavors, for flavoring of your pot. So the cayenne pepper is another healthy alternative for me. I prefer to use the cayenne pepper instead of the soya sauce. I just love the flavor that it gives off. Smells so good. Delicioso. Delicioso. Smells so good, guys. I hope you guys try this. Yeah. Okay. Now it's all done. I'm just gonna place it for you so you can see what it looks like. See how quick and easy that was? Yeah. All right, let me just place it for you so you guys can see what it looks like. This is how it turned out, guys. This is what it looks like. Ooh, you can see the steam coming off it. It's so hot. So you guys can try it out and let me know how it turned out for you, if you like it. But I do think you're gonna like it. I think you're gonna really love it, guys. So my husband is about to eat his way through this rice. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a comment down below and make sure you like the video. Bye.